Hey there, have you ever wished that you could make money while you are sleeping? I have some exciting news to tell you. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a source of passive income that works for you even when you are sleeping. Grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and get ready to learn how to make money while you sleep. But before I show you how trashy this is, step by step, give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of thing. Good job! And add this channel to your list. Turn on the red notification bell so that when we post a new video, you will be one of the first people to see it and learn more about how to make money fast. Number 1. Sell stock content. To sell your content online, you have to upload your work to several stock library sites. Users will browse these sites to find content they want to pay for. Royalties are low. You need a workbank to make excellent money. Check what's popular and concentrate on that. Selling stock material isn't hard. Niche ideas are popular. Photos, logos, jingles, stickers, icons, buttons, and banners, all possibilities. Everything is possible. Number 2. Write an ebook. This is a great place to start if you've already written some short stories. You could also look at what's selling well right now to get ideas. Don't look at fiction bestsellers. Politics, poker, and more have charts. Use a subject you know well, like your education or pastime. Remember social media. If you're active online regarding skateboarding, why not create a guide? Promote the book using your channels. Most publishers accept .co files or enable you convert them to EPUB. Seagull ebook editor is free. Amazon provides comics and kids books resources. Having a file requires a platform. Amazon requires Kindle listings. Draft to digital and Smashwords for elsewhere. These systems deliver to Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, and others. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works well if you already have an established website, store, or social media account. To begin, choose goods that complement your content, including buy now links and blog evaluations of online purchases might boost your affiliate marketing earnings. A bookstore page with your favorite titles and rating is another option. Recommendations are concise. They should be longer than a paragraph and contain pertinent information about what you liked about the product and why it's worth purchasing. Write honest evaluations and include your dislikes. That way, your readers may choose wisely. Thus, you can create passive income with a little work and savvy investments. Using capital gain, you can establish 24/7 money-making engines so you can focus on what matters the most. Gotta pause? Start making money overnight today. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this.